Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here on Foxtecc. In this one we're going to be talking about the iPad camera and how you can go ahead and record videos with it. The video will contain a bunch of useful tips and tactics, so stick around to see what it's all about. First off, let's address whether you need to use the built-in camera app or download another app. In my opinion, the built-in camera app on the iPad is more than sufficient for most situations. While there are other apps available, the default one works perfectly fine for typical video recording needs. Apple recently released a professional camera app called Final Cut Camera, but it's currently only available on the iPhone, not the iPad. To start, one of the simplest yet most crucial steps is to clean the lens. Make sure the camera lens on your iPad is clean by using a soft cloth. Smudges or fingerprints can blur the video quality, so it's essential to keep the lens spotless for clear, sharp footage. Next, you should set the resolution. Go into the iPad's camera settings and choose the highest resolution available. This is particularly important if you want high-quality videos. However, keep in mind that the highest resolution, such as 4K, might not always be necessary depending on the purpose of your video. Adjust the resolution based on your needs. Lighting is another key factor. Good lighting can make a significant difference in the quality of your videos. Whenever possible, use natural light as it tends to provide the best results. If natural light isn't an option, make sure to use sufficient artificial lighting. The iPad's camera has a smaller lens compared to professional cameras, so it requires more light to produce better quality videos. Stabilizing your iPad is also crucial to avoid shaky footage. You can use a stand or a magic keyboard to keep the iPad steady. A stable camera will make your videos look more professional and easier to watch. If you don't have a stand, try to place your iPad on a stable surface or hold it as steady as possible. Framing your shot properly is another important step. Ensure that your subject is in focus and well framed within the shot. This might involve some trial and error, but it's worth taking the time to get it right. While the built-in microphone on the iPad is decent, consider using third-party microphones for better audio quality if necessary. However, focusing on good lighting, high resolution, and stability will generally yield the best results. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the quality of your videos recorded on the iPad. It's all about making small adjustments that collectively make a big difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tricks. See you guys later.